My child, the future's uncertainty is an ever-present companion on life's journey, weaving through our days and shaping our perceptions. Its weight is often felt most keenly during our formative years, where each decision feels like a step into the unknown. As humans, we naturally seek order amidst this chaos, crafting routines and habits to create a semblance of control. Yet, no matter how meticulously we plan, the future remains a vast and unpredictable landscape. Our minds, with their intricate layers of thoughts and emotions, are both a gift and a burden. While they allow us to dream, create, and ponder the mysteries of life, they also tend to overanalyze and dwell on uncertainties. This propensity to ruminate on what lies ahead can lead to anxiety, self-doubt, and a constant quest for answers that may never fully materialize. It's essential to recognize that worrying about the future is a universal aspect of human behavior. Our brains are wired to anticipate, assess risks, and plan for contingencies. However, this natural inclination can sometimes spiral into a cycle of relentless speculation and doubt, robbing us of the present moments, joy, and fulfillment. One of the keys to managing uncertainty lies in understanding the triggers that fuel our anxieties. These triggers can stem from various sources such as societal pressures, unrealistic expectations, or comparisons fueled by social media. By identifying these catalysts, we can take proactive steps to mitigate their impact on our mental well-being. Practicing mindfulness and self-awareness is crucial in this journey. Mindfulness allows us to observe our thoughts without judgment, acknowledging them without becoming entangled in their narratives. It empowers us to cultivate a sense of inner peace and resilience even in the face of uncertainty. Additionally, nurturing a positive mindset and focusing on the present moment can provide a sense of grounding amidst life's uncertainties. Engaging in activities that bring us joy, pursuing hobbies, and fostering meaningful connections with others can bolster our mental resilience and fortitude. Ultimately, while we cannot eliminate uncertainty from our lives, we can learn to navigate its ebb and flow with grace and resilience. By embracing the unknown as an opportunity for growth and discovery, we unlock the potential to live more fully and authentically. To dive deeper into intriguing topics like this, click here to watch more. Wake up.